Like I remember the two guys in the whoa shit. Like I remember the two guys in the police station, but that was over in like 2 seconds.
3 guys on the road in front of us.
See it. See it.
We're getting out. Get out. Cutting over there.
Park the truck on this little hill.
6 shots at the VA-70.
Fuck, I don't know where they went.
I'm on your 6, Nick.
Alright. They dumped off in the
Yeah.
woods, but I don't know where they went.
Any more, do you?
What's up?
I'm talking to Striker. Striker, you don't see him, do you?
No, they're further up here.
We're about where they're at.
There,
Oh,
straight
I
ahead
see
there.
one. I see him. I see one.
Where?
Connex boxes over here.
Yep. I saw two.
Yeah, 2 just moved to the left over here. The third was probably already straight ahead.
I don't want to shoot you guys. Where are you guys at?
We're on the outside. They're on the inside.
Alright, I'm going inside. Which one of these warehouses?
They were in the Connex box.
They were just running around him.
Yeah. You're not in them. I think I'm watching right here if you want to move to a different angle.
Yeah. I just saw another one run around in there. Yep, there's
And
another
that's
one.
I see him, yep.
There's
They're just
another one.
looting.
Are you guys in here?
Yeah,
It's
I
moving
just
in.
ran
I'm
in.
covering from behind.
I
Two
see
of them straight
one
by
with a
the
cowboy hat.
Yep.
This is
They
me.
both ran into the warehouse.
Yep.
All 3 of them are inside the warehouse.
One's dead. One's in the Connex. One's up on the top scaffolding, I think, or behind the scaffolding. Yep. 2's down.
Where's
Fucking
the
wolves, wolves, wolves.
I got your back. I got your back.
Shit.
There's still one in there in the Connex. Another wolf.
Got it. Reload.
The Connex box.
Moving back in.
Yeah, he was in the white Connex in there.
I got a Molotov. Let me Molotov it. Got it?
Garex, get out in front of me. I'm gonna shoot you.
You hit him, I heard him go, ooh.
God
down.
damn, dude.
He's
He
down.
ate so many rounds.
What were you shooting him with?
I shot him 3 times with the Renegade.
Fire dissipated.